How to post Facebook and Instagram at the same time. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to post on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Instagram account, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. And from there just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top right corner, the hamburger icon. And after that just simply go to the accounts center from the top of the page. You will be able to see the option called connected experiences, in which you can see the option called sharing across profiles. Just simply tap on it, and after that just simply click on add account. And now you just simply have to click on add Facebook account over here. And now just simply go ahead and select the Facebook account that you would want to attach with your Instagram account. And after that just simply click on continue as that person. And once your Facebook account has been connected with the Instagram account, after that whatever you post on your Instagram account will be posted on your Facebook account as well. So this is basically how you will be able to post on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.